So today I'm going to show you how to do select,
Okay.
to create a view, and to create the store procedures. For this practice, I don't use my new database that we did yesterday because we don't have that many tables. What I'm going to use is the SSRS reporting database. And here
Okay.
I have more tables. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open a new session here. And then this is my notes script I just prepare. So I'm going to copy this section, a few
Mm-hmm.
tables from the SSRS reporting database. So I'm going to paste this SQL statement to our new query session.
Okay.
Use
Use. Mm-hmm.
SSRS reporting. You can eliminate this, but make sure you select the proper database.
Oh, got it. Okay.
Okay, this is the available database. If you mouse over, you can see that available database box. So you can
Mm-hmm.
select which one. In this practice, I choose the SSRS reporting. So it's up to you. I
Got
always
it.
use this use statement and then select the database. So I'm doing select statement from one table to three tables joining, right? So I just execute this and it gives me about full name, last name, middle name, member ID, DOB, and age. So this is the select statement. You can add the filter. Let's say you want to add the let's see, member ID, for example. You want to add the member ID equal to, for example, this guy right here. Then when you run this, it gives you one record. This is how the reports that I build use the parameter. This is to assign member ID with a specific value.
So you already created other three tables you used for these
Yes,
joining, correct?
correct, yes. The first table is members, which is this guy right here.
Okay.
And the second table, left join using the members address right here.
Mm-hmm.
And the third one is member miscellaneous, which
Got
is
it.
this guy right here. Actually, four tables. The other one is the last one, health membership, which is this one right here. I will explain to you about joining. You got the records, right? You can do filter once you have the correct output, and you can turn this into a view, right?
Right.
So let me copy the create view section. So just to be clear, let me open another session, right? The
Mm-hmm.
query session. I'm going to drop this statement. Make sure you select SSRS reporting available database because we're going to create a view to this database, right? So right now, we don't have any view yet, right?
Okay.
This section is the select statement we did before, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So to create a view, it's very simple. You just type create view, and you just name what view you wanna call. So I put the DBO dot, and then this is the format, yeah. So DBO dot, and then you do your view
View
name,
name.
yeah, and then you put go at the end. And if I click execute, there's already object name my first view in the database. Let me check this. So let me delete this, right? Because I think I was testing it before we start this meeting. So I'm going to delete this view, so we don't have any view right now.
Okay.
Right? So I'm going to rerun this script, execute this. Command completed successfully. So SQL wrap this select statement into a view called my first view. So if you go back to the view folders under SSRS reporting database, if you right click, you refresh, then you can see the view. So view is the virtual table.
Correct.
But view is the collections of tables. In the real database at work, you have tons of tables, right? So when the business asking you to write a report ad hoc with specific tables, with specific criteria, logic, right, and the field they need to have on the report. So when you're done, you can save your entire select statement with the logic as a view. Then next time when you want to run it, you just right click on the view and you just select, whatever, you just execute it. So view is the virtual table. So basically view taking whatever tables available and compile it into one output. That is the view. Not a good idea to add an index in the view. Okay, so think about view like a table. Table itself just standalone one table, but view has more than one table.
Correct.
And then that's the view, right? So let me show you the procedures. In the SSRS reporting, I have 1, 2, 3 store procedures written, right? But I'm going to show you, we also can turn the same select statement. So this is just for example. You might have different select statement, SQL statement that you want to turn to a store procedure. So
Right.
in this example, let me copy the entire section, how to create store procedure, and I'm going to open another session right here. And I'm going to paste the entire script to create a store procedure. The same select statement we did for the view.
Right.
So I'm going to turn this into a store procedures called my first store proc.
Mm-hmm.
So again, I want to make sure my available database is SSRS reporting. This is the format: create procedure as begin and select and then end.
Mm-hmm.
When you execute this, again, there's already an object named my first store proc in database. Let me refresh this. I think I also did it before our meeting. So my first store proc, this guy right here. So I'm going
Mm-hmm.
to delete this because I want to show you. I'm going to rerun this script and execute it, and SQL completed the script to create the store proc. So I'm going to refresh the store proc folder, and that's our new store procedures. Let's say you want to modify, right? You just right click and click modify. So when you click modify, it's automatically change from create to alter.
Oh,
So
okay.
when you, let's say the business say, hey, I don't want to see the middle name. So you just comment it out and you just execute this, and then SQL will recompile the script. Let me close this. Actually, no. Let me execute this, okay? If I execute this proc, you will not see the middle name. So I don't have any parameters right now, but tomorrow I'll show you how to add the parameters.
Mm-hmm.
So you see, I don't have the middle name because I commented this out. So a new updated store procs only has full name, last name, member ID, DOB, and age. So that's how you compile your select statement query into a view and then
Mm-hmm.
store procedures.